Panagtungtungan ta, kwento ko, kwento mo, sabay na. Panagtungtungan ta, usapang totoo, walang arte, walang maskara. Panagtungtungan ta, dito tayo natututo't lumalakas pa.
Hi! Welcome to our first episode of Panagtungtungan Ta, Conversations That Connect, the JCI 100 Islands podcast, a space where voices meet, stories connect, and conversations spark change. I am Edlin May C. Sarmiento, the 2026 Local Skills Development Director of JCI 100 Islands. For today's episode, I am honored to be joined by our immediate past president, John Kevin Ramirez, also known as Kevin Credible. Hi, Press.
Hello, LSDD. Good evening.
Good evening, Press. How are you today?
I feel good and I feel overwhelmed.
And before we proceed with interviewing our past president or IPP, Kevin, let us first acknowledge and thank our venue for this session, none other than Street Cafe Alaminos. Maraming salamat. So, Press Kevin, back to you. Can you please share with us your journey or your leadership journey in JCI?
My journey in JCI started way back 2016 when I joined the Alaminos Longanisa Cooking Competition. We all know that Alaminos Longanisa Cooking Competition was one of the JCI 100 Islands longest running projects. And I feel so blessed that this competition opened me to the opportunities of the JCI 100 Islands. So that competition, yung competition na yun yung nagbukas sa akin kung ano ang JCI 100 Islands. So, tinanong ko yung cousin ko, which is the executive vice president that time, on how to join the JCI 100 Islands. And he invited me to join the OTI, the Opportunity to Impact. That was before it was the new members orientation pa noon. Hindi pa siya Opportunity to Impact. So, ayun, umaten ako, and after that, doon na nag-start yung journey ko sa JCI 100 Islands. So, I take leadership roles from being treasurer. My first position that I handled in JCI 100 Islands was to be a treasurer. So, napakabigat agad ng posisyon na nahawakan ko. But, ayun, naging masaya naman yung journey ko sa JCI 100 Islands hanggang naging local training director the following year, and so on, different vice presidents, and yun nga, hanggang dumating yung tamang panahon for me to lead the JCI 100 Islands, and ayun nga po, sa 2025 po, ako po yung naging president ng JCI 100 Islands.
And with that, with the experience of yours, talaga naman you are trained and born to lead with JCI. So my second question, Press, is that since you are the immediate past president of JCI 100 Islands, when you first took on the role as the local president, what was your initial reaction? The feeling na naramdaman mo during that time?
Honestly, the time na sinabi na it is your time to lead the JCI 100 Islands, sabi nila. It was mixed with gratitude, andun din yung excitement, at saka meron din yung takot or yung fear na tinatawag natin. Gratitude kasi, alam mo yun yung feeling na ipagkatiwala sa'yo yung isang the organization na JCI 100 Islands. Napakalaking opportunity yun para sa akin. At the same time, excited. Yun nga, excited for the opportunities dun sa mga projects, sa mga programs na pwede natin gawin for that year. Then, fear, syempre, the pressure, lalo na yung, alam mo naman, the last year lang, after how many long years, nakuha natin ulit ang Temyong. So, nakaka-pressure talaga. But above all, it was masaya.
So your journey contains the feeling of gratitude, excitement,
Yes.
and fear na normal lang talaga naman sa kahit na sino. Most especially na as a president, it's very difficult to handle that kind of position, di ba? So, my next question is, of course, still related to your presidency. What was one of the biggest challenges or problems that you encountered during your presidency, and paano mo siya hinandle?
During my presidency, I think the biggest challenge and problem that I've encountered was balancing leadership with understanding and of course my work. Alam mo yun? So, lahat naman tayo may work and alam mo din yung ima-manage mo din yung mga iba't ibang members na different backgrounds, different personalities. Napakahirap, no? Kailangan mo silang intindihin. Especially, hindi naman sila always free. So, alam mo yun yung
May iba-ibang
ganong bagay, kailangan mo silang intindihin palagi. I think I've handled it or I've dealt with this problem by choosing empathy over ego and communication. Mahalaga yung communication sa mga members.
Yes.
Ayun. So, kailangan nakikinig ka sa mga members mo. You take advice also from your past presidents. Ayan. So, hindi naman laging ikaw yung dapat laging tama. Ayun. So, dapat marunong kang balansehin yung ganon. Balansehin mo lahat.
Yes. Different background, different profession. May mga estudyante tayo during that time. At the same time, you mentioned earlier na even your work, di ba? Hindi lang sila yung iniintindi mo, even yourself. Kasi nga, you need to go out, we need to go out kasi most of us do have work. And you actually dealt with that by means of really using empathy over your ego, which is very good. And we observe that kind of perspective during your time. Next question, Pres. For you, personally, di ba, we have this or you have this mantra in JCI na kapag ikaw yung naging president, meron kayong term, quote-unquote, na 1 year to lead. For you, since you already experienced that 1 year to lead, anong ibig sabihin nun para sa'yo?
Ayun. So, my definition for 1 year to lead is 1 year to serve selflessly. So, yung to make an incredible impact and of course, to build better communities. Yun, actually. Kala ko napakatagal talaga nung term na 1 year. Pero nung andun na tayo sa journey, masasabi ko, ang bilis pala ng 1 year to. So, alam mo yun, given the limited time, so, with that limited time, I need to maximize so I need to inspire, empower other people by means of yun nga sa mga ginagawa nating trainings, sa ating mga projects, programs.
Nakita naman sa JCI na during that 1 year to lead of yours na we really excel when it comes to training, projects with over 100 plus projects implemented. Truly, Kevin, credible yung journey mo.
Yes.
Diba? When you are 1 year to lead.
And alam mo, hindi naman, ang leadership, it's not about naman dun sa mga awards nating nakuha. Sabi ko nga, hindi din dun sa mga titles and recognitions. But I think that leadership, the true meaning of that is yung kung paano mo na-serve yung community mo. In my 1 year to lead, I think my mission was accomplished. Ayun. So I think yung gusto kong mangyari during my term is natupad ko. Ayun. So,
And we would really like to commend you for that. Kasi even me, with your term, di ba, we really accomplished a lot of things and you inspire a lot of people to join JCI, and by means of joining JCI, mas nakilala pa nila yung mga sarili nila na hindi lang pala hanggang dito lang kami. With your help, guidance, your vision, last 2025, indeed, it is Kevin credible.
And alam mo yun, congratulations din, alam mo yan.
Yes.
So nakarating tayo sa national,
yes.
NatCon. So, congratulations na for representing the JCI 100 Islands. Actually, hindi lang JCI 100 Islands. It's also the Area 1 and of course the Pangasinan region for the public speaking competition. And you really did well, and you are also Kevin credible for that.
Yes, and we will going to apply that in our next generation of members
Yes.
here in JCI. So, last question, Press, for today's episode. What is your message or piece of advice to the current and upcoming JCI members who aspire to lead and make an impact in their community?
Ayan, so to the current board, board of directors, to the current members, and of course dun sa ating mga
Baby JCs.
mga upcoming JCs, I think one piece of advice is just enjoy their journey. So alam mo yun, hindi naman minamadali ang lahat. So, and also another thing that I want to advise them is wag silang matakot na mag-step up.
Yes.
And wag silang matakot na lumabas sa kanilang mga shell. Kasi hindi nila malalaman na kaya pala nila hanggat hindi nila sinusubukan. So, I think yun yung the best na advice na may bibigay natin sa ating mga JCI members.
Correct, diba? If we didn't try, how would we know? Sabi nga nila. And nakita namin kung paano yung pagpupush mo sa mga members na mag-out sila sa mga shells nila. Talaga naman they really excelled and napakita nila yung kaya nila all throughout your journey. Thank you so much, Press, for answering our questions. Pero hindi pa dyan nagtatapos ang episode natin for today because we prepared phone social media edition kind of fast talk or challenge para sa'yo. So the first one is that, can you please show us the last photo saved on your phone? No deleting. Nasaan yung phone mo, Press?
Hala,
Kunin mo siya. Ayan.
seryoso ka dyan?
Yes, of course. Diba? Yung
Hala,
titigan siya.
nakakahiya.
Hindi, okay lang. Ipapakita mo doon sa ating camera. Ay, dito sa ating camera.
Hala!
Sige na, okay na. Ayan, ang kanyang pinakalas ay, ayan po.
Si
Si Press Elms na kumakain. Ayan
during
po.
the induction of Jace Lingben Liberation 2.
Oh, si Press Elms, ang pinaka...
Hala, sorry, Press.
Last na sinave niya. The second one, Press, open mo pa rin yung phone mo. Diyan tayo sa phone.
Hala.
What was your last Facebook search? No deleting. Na natin, kung anong huli.
Hala, seryoso ka talaga dyan.
Yes, of course.
Hala!
Tatian mo.
Kinakabahan ako doon. Oh,
Ay, perfect. Ang pinakahuli, paki-blurred na lang po ang mga iba. Ayan po, JCI 100 Islands. Paki-blurred na lang po ang mga kasunod. But JCI 100 Islands is the last search sa kanyang Facebook. Next tayo. What's the last TikTok you watch? Makita ba to? TikTok na lang. Buksan mo na lang yung TikTok mo at kung ano yung pinakaunang lumabas. Yun ang ating ipapakita sa camera. Ay, perfect! Patingin! Ay!
kasi nga mga pageant ang pinapanood
Monica,
natin.
the Queen of Asia, next top model ang kanyang Talagang pang top model si Press. Grabe.
Mga ganyan
To the
naman
highest
kung pinapanood.
level.
Actually, sinesearch
Okay, next tayo. Open your gallery and scroll and hintayin mo sabi kong stop at explain mo kung saan tayo nag-stop. Doon sa photo, sa gallery mo. Game?
ko.
Okay. Ganun mo. Scroll. Stop! Ayan. Ano yan?
Ayan.
Ay, kaya ba?
Sabi ko sa'yo matagal to eh.
Kaya ba today? Kaya ba today?
Saglit lang, matagal.
Matagal. O, sige, hintayin lang natin. Willing to wait naman tayo.
One eternity later.
So yung picture actually is yung kumain kami ni ano.
Nino.
Ayan.
Sino
Ni
yan?
Celine.
Celine. Yung kanyang friend. Pakita natin.
Yeah.
May ka-date na babae si Press. Ano yan? Explain mo yan. Kumain lang kayo because catch up lang.
Ano, kasama ko siya dati before sa work, sa library. Then, lumipat siya ng work. Nakahanap siya ng work. Tapos, yan yung parang trinit niya ako dun sa una niyang sahod.
Okay. Next naman tayo, Press, for what's your current LSS kahit ayaw mo aminin? Ano yung pinapakinggan mong music na yun?
Yung sa SpongeBob.
Ba na yun? Pwede
Cause
bang
I'm ready, it's about to set free. Yun yung super
Pakikanta doon sa
LSS
screen.
ko talaga.
Okay, ano yung pinaka na LSS ka for, or LSS na, ayaw mo aminin, na kanta? Ano yun? Pakikanta.
Yun nga, di ba?
Kantahin mo nga para makita
Yung
nila. Oh, one.
nagte-trending
Oh,
sa
sige na.
TikTok
Oh, 1, 2, 3, go.
na yung sa SpongeBob, yung "Cause I am ready, is about to set sail." Tapos yung may ganon. Basta yung mga,
Okay, sige.
what kind of day?
Okay, next tayo. What's something in your phone you hope your parents never see?
Hala, bakit may
Oh,
ganon?
syempre.
Ay, syempre yung mga
Bakit?
collection natin ng boys.
Pwede ba ipakita mo yun?
No.
Ay, hindi. So, ang bagay na ayaw mo makita ng parents mo yung collection ng boys. Okay. Privacy mo na kung sino yung mga boys na yun kasi baka ma-reveal.
Baka magulat kayo, ganon.
Oh, okay. And for the last one natin, what's your most used excuse kapag ayaw mong umalis, knowing na gustong-gusto mong umalis? Ano yung pinaka-excuse mo?
Si CR.
Ay!
Always. Alam mo
Sa
yan.
CR. Okay. Ngayon alam na namin, kapag nagsabi ka naman sa CR, ayaw mo
Yeah.
kaming makita. Ganun.
Hindi naman.
Ayaw mo lang lumabas.
Yeah.
Okay.
Naboboard na ako, mga ganon.
Mm. Okay, so that's it. Thank you so much, Press
And
Kevin,
thank you so much, LSDD.
for joining our today's session. And we hope that today's conversation inspire you to reflect, connect, and take action in your own community. Just like the waves surrounding the 100 Islands, the impact of our stories is spread farther than we realize. This has been Panagtungtungan Ta, Conversations That Connect, the JCI 100 Islands podcast. Don't forget to join us next month for another inspiring conversation. Until then, keep sharing, listening, and making waves. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng nanood. At thank you so much, Street Cafe, for our venue for today.
Panagtungtungan ta, kwento ko, kwento mo, sabay na. Panagtungtungan ta, usapang totoo, walang arte, walang maskara. Panagtungtungan ta, dito tayo natututo't lumalakas pa. Panagtungtungan ta, conversations that connect. Panagtungtungan ta.